মোহাম্মদ শাবুল উদ্দিন প্রবাসী বাংলাদেশী সহ সাউথ এশিয়ানদের জন্য নিবেদিত প্রাণ এক সমাজকর্মী। নিউ ইয়র্ক সিটি কাউন্সিল নির্বাচন 2021-এ ডিস্ট্রিক্ট 24 এর প্রার্থী শাবুল উদ্দিন নির্বাচিত হলে কাজ করবেন শিক্ষা, হালাল খাবার, আইন শৃঙ্খলা ও স্মল এন্টারপ্রেনারদের নিয়ে। সোচ্চার থাকবেন বিভিন্ন দাবি দেওয়া আদায়ে। আসুন 22শে জুন ডেমোক্রেটিক প্রাইমারি নির্বাচনে পরীক্ষিত শাবুল উদ্দিনকে নির্বাচিত করি।
Hi, my name is Mohammed Uddin and I approve this message.
The United Nations General Assembly adopted unanimously a historic resolution on drowning prevention. The permanent representative of Bangladesh to the UN Ambassador Rabab Fatima introduced the first ever Wanafunga resolution on global drowning prevention, which acknowledges the silent epidemic for the first time in UN's 75-year history. Co-led by Ireland, the resolution was co-sponsored by a total 81 member states. The resolution recognizes that drowning affects every nation of the world and provides a framework for action for an effective response to the unacceptably high number of drowning deaths. The resolution further identifies that drowning is a preventable cause of mortality that disproportionately affects children and adolescents within and among nations. A new UN Day for Drowning Prevention, 25th of July, was also proclaimed to promote awareness and encourage national action, as well as share best practices and key solutions to drowning. Bangladesh Permanent Mission to the UN in New York has been working since 2018 to ensure that this global and preventable epidemic secures much-deserved political space internationally. In introducing the resolution at the plenary of the General Assembly, Bangladesh Permanent Representative to the UN Ambassador Rabab Fatima stated that the government of Bangladesh recognizes the urgency to have a resolution to generate greater political commitment to prevention of drowning and is honored to lead this effort at the UN.
Mr. President, in the last decade alone, more than 2.5 million lives were lost to the water, needlessly. Infants slipping silently into ponds, fathers never returning from fishing trips, sisters submerged on their way to school, wasted lives and preventable deaths on an epidemic scale. Drowning is a major and neglected cause of global mortality. 235,000 lives lost every year, 650 every day, 26 every hour. Astounding, staggering figures. Annually, a greater loss of life than to maternal mortality and malnutrition. It is an issue without geographical borders and boundaries. Anyone, anywhere can drown. It affects every nation of the world, and some more dramatically and inequitably than others. Over 90% of deaths occur in low and middle-income countries, the highest rates recorded in Africa, and the greatest numbers across Asia, with children and young people representing the majority of lives lost, our future. Despite its global burden as a silent epidemic, unrecognized and under-resourced relative to its impact, the imperative to act on drowning is not simply moral or political. The economic cost is equally untenable. The global cost is estimated at $146 billion annually, impacting mostly the low-income countries. Drowning is therefore not just an injury, it is an iniquity. But all is not lost. We can still arrest this trend if we act now. Every drowning death is preventable through tested, low-cost solutions. My own country, Bangladesh, is on the front line in the fight against drowning. Bangladesh's own journey of recognition and response to drowning has been continuing for well over a decade. And I'm happy to report that we are making progress, as are several other regional neighbors who, like us, experience a high drowning burden, especially amongst our children. We are making progress with the development of a national drowning prevention plan and action at community level, in developing, testing, and adapting interventions that can and are saving lives at relative low cost. And how so? We are ensuring young children are supervised and kept safe around water by caregivers, that barriers or fencing is installed around open waters such as ponds and wells, that young children have the opportunity to learn swimming skills that may save their lives,
According to the WHO's latest estimates, drowning is the cause of 235,000 deaths every year. Many countries report drowning as a leading cause of childhood mortality, particularly in children under 5. Noting the links between drowning and other global frameworks related to sustainable development, climate change, and disaster risk reduction, the resolution presents an important opportunity to make progress towards targets within several of the UN Sustainable Development Goals. In its operative paragraphs, the resolution encourages member states to, among others, appoint a national focal point for drowning prevention, develop national prevention plan and programs, enact national laws, create awareness, support international cooperation and promote RAND. Introducing the resolution on this unrecognized global issue fulfills yet another commitment of Bangladesh to promote social causes at the UN. Desk Report. Bangshai News.